Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw a unicorn. So let's get begin. Firstly, I'm going to draw the face of unicorn. Then I draw his beautiful hairs. Then I draw two ears.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dropped the incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout.
Now I draw his body.
Washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
Lastly, I draw his beautiful big tail.
The spout again.
I draw his cute little two eyes. I draw moon and stars also. Are you guys enjoying drawing with me? Now friends, come and let's color the rainbow unicorn together. First I take blue, then pink, then orange, then purple, then green, pink, green. Then I use light blue, light pink, orange, purple, yellow, dark green. Let's color the rainbow unicorn together. I make the outlines of dark pink to make the unicorn more beautiful.
Spout again. The incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout.
I color the tail with rainbow colors.
Spider out. Out came the sun and dried up water climbed up the spout again.
I color the whole body of unicorn with light pink. Awesome!
Know the muffin man, the muffin man,
The unicorn looks so beautiful.
the muffin man who rain.
Now let's color the stars and moon together. Amazing! If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye!